Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing apps from the home screen on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Hold down on the app that you would like to remove from your home screen. Then tap Remove from the menu that appears. The app will disappear from your home screen. You can find the app in the app drawer. If you would like to add it back to your home screen, you can hold down on it and tap Add to Home. The app will be added back to your home screen on the last page. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.